Guys, this is E with Scrapbooking with Me, and we're going to make another quick and easy piece of ephemera for your journals. This is very, very quick and easy. All you need is either a scrap piece of paper or just a piece of paper that, this is some scrapbook paper that I have. And it's directional, but we're going to use it like this. So what you're going to do first, this piece is 12 inches by 8 inches. So 12 by 8 piece of paper. You can make them smaller. They don't have to be this size. If you only have 8.5 by 11 paper, then use 11 inch. It doesn't matter. Just adjust your score lines. So the first thing we're going to do is score at 4 inches and at 8 inches. And this is on the long side, 4 and 8. And I got it written out right here for you. 4 and 8. Then you're going to turn it. And let's see, I'm going to turn mine this way. Okay, then you're going to turn it this way and you're going to score at 3 inches. So you've got 4 and 8, and then turn it this way and score it at 3. Now this piece of paper was already scored at another place, but I'm going to go ahead and use it because it doesn't hurt anything. Alright, so that's our 3-inch little fold up right there. That's going to be pockets, those 3 are. And then this is going to be our little flap. Alright, now I'm going to do mine just a little bit different, since this is the largest piece that I had that was scrap. But if you have a 12 by 12 piece, you'll have plenty enough room to do this. But I'm going to do mine a little bit different. I want to leave a little bit from the top of my pocket up. But I need a flap up here too. So I am going to, let's see, I'm going to go right there at the bottom of that little line there. And I'm just going to draw lightly across here so that I can see where I want to cut. So from this little line over, I want to cut that away. Now, like I said, you can do this. You can make it taller, but I'm just using what scrap I already have out. That way I don't have to try to drag more out. And then right here, first off, I'm going to go straight up the score line. Or straight down it. And then we may come back and do some adjusting there later. But I'm going to do that right now. There we go. And then over here, the same thing. I'm going to go straight down the score line. This is that 4 and 8 score line. And then over here, see if I can see my line there. I'm going to go across there. Right in there. Okay, so we've got a little flap here that will fold over. If you want one taller than that, you just need a longer piece of paper is all that you need. But this is going to be plenty tall enough for me, I do believe. Now, I'm going to go ahead and round some corners. I want to round this corner right here. I want to round this corner right here. This corner and this corner. And then on this, I'm just going to fold it down even with where I cut it off. That's all I'm doing right there. Folding it down even with where I cut that off. So see, that's what you've got so far. There's your little lid, in other words. Now this is going to fold in and that's going to fold in. But we need to take out some of this bulk right here because that's going to keep it from folding nice and flat. So just go up that score line. Right to the one that goes across. And I'm having trouble seeing which one goes across. There we go. Right to that one. Right there. And then this side. Alright. And then you're just going to cut out a little sliver of this. So just take out a little, maybe that score line. The width of that score line. And then a little bitty sliver over here. If I can get this where I can hold it in my hand. There we go. A little sliver right there. Okay. So now we have this one, this one, this one. Those are our 3 pockets right there. And let's see if they fold any better. If they don't, we'll trim a little more. But I think that's going to work. Yep, that works. Perfect. So that folds over that way and that way. Let's go ahead and glue our pockets down. First, I'm going to punch a little hole in each pocket. Okay. And I do want to ink it. Okay, I think that's inked enough. And then we're going to put some glue right through here. Right up through here. And we're going to glue that one down. It's our first little pocket. And just kind of line them up as you glue them down. Just make sure that your score line right here that goes up and down is open. That's not too close to it. Okay, then we'll glue this one down. And I'm going to go ahead right here and cut that score line out. I can see it. So I know it probably needs to be cut out. So we'll go ahead and just trim that out. Okay. And we'll put a little glue on this one. Fold that one over. And then the same thing here. All right, there we go. We've got all 3 of our pockets ready. Now, if I was stitching, which I'm not stitching right this minute, but I will probably stitch around this, and I'll go, you know, around through here, across, up, back, and then around like this. You don't have to. That's just something that I would probably do to make it look a little bit better. All right, so we've got that. That will open up, and you have pockets in there for, you know, little notes or little journaling cards, whatever you would want to put inside. But we need a closure for this, because that flap is definitely, no matter how much I fold that, it's not going to stay closed, because we've got this little bit of bulk pocket here. So what we want to do is put something on there where we can wrap something around it and close it. Now you can do an eyelet if you want. I think I'm going to do a brad. I have a few brads here. We might go with pink. No, that's too much of a pink, and that's too much of a coral. Let's see if we have a different one. That one might work. That's got a little coral in the center of it. So let's put that brad in there. Now I am going to use my ruler, and I'm going to find the center. Looks like it is right there, but I'm going to move it up. I don't want that brad that close to the bottom. Put it right there. And we'll go ahead and we just need a little tiny hole. So I'm going to grab this little punch, and I know I had been saying I think this is a 1/8. I think this is like a 1/16. It's a tiny one. But all I need is just enough for my little brad prongs to go through there, and that goes through perfect. Okay, I'm going to do that over like that, and then I will come back and probably put a little piece of paper or something over that just to keep it from hanging on things, but we'll do that in a minute. Right now I want to find some string that can go around this and then tie. Now you could use seam binding lots of different things you could use. I'm just going to grab some string from here real quick. Let's see. I don't think I want to use white. Okay, let's use some of this. I think that'd be pretty. This is, ooh, I don't know if that'll be enough. Let's see. Yeah, that probably will. Let's try it. So what you're going to do is wrap that over the back of your little brad. And then I tie it a couple of times. And when you tie it, just pull that knot until it goes up against your little prongs on your brad. Like that. Then you can just cut that little piece off. Alright, and then this is going to wrap around. And mine's not long enough to wrap around 3 times, which I would normally like to do. But I'm going to do it like that just so that it'll kind of look like it's wrapped around 3 times. Alright, so that is your little pocket, double pocket with the closure. And you can use enough string that you can wrap it around again. I'd like to have mine wrapped around at least twice. But as you can see, I didn't cut enough string. Well, I didn't cut that piece. There we go. We got it. Look. Oh, I'll probably put a different piece on there. But that is our little double pocket with a closure in there. Very easy, very simple. But they make great pieces to go in your journals. Great pieces of ephemera. Let's just look. Now, I have got this just about ready to put our cover on, and we'll be coming on and putting our cover on together. So let's see if we can find a page. It'll probably go good right there. Oh yeah, I like it there. So see, that would go there. And then when you open it up, you'd have a pocket here, and a pocket there in the middle. You could leave this open where you could tuck something else behind it back here. So you got 4 pockets in this little bitty pocket right here. So simple and easy. Let's put a little label on this. I like putting these Tim Holtz labels on these. They're small labels and they usually go real well with this. Let's see if we can find one. We may have to go to the other ones. Let's see, let's put inspiration down there. We'll put it right up there. I'm just going to go around it with a little bit of ink. And this is the Chit Chat. I think this is the one that we have in the store now. Not 100%, but I think it is. We either have Chit Chat or Small Talk in the store now. All of them are good. They're good for putting on places like this. And I think that's probably all I would do to that because this is already beautiful paper. Don't think you need to decorate that up anymore. So I probably wouldn't do anything else to this except make some little journal cards to go on the inside and a tag to go on the back or go behind the back. That is another quick and easy little project that you can do for your journals. I know I've had some people ask for some simple, quick, and easy ephemera. I'll try to do 2 more tomorrow. Just do some different variations of something and make it where you can make them very, very quick and easy. All right, we will talk to you guys later. If you like these, please give me a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. We'll see you guys later. Bye-bye.